I love my grandparents. Binnu plays with her grandparents every weekend. He and his grandparents enjoy themselves on Sundays. Binnu's grandfather plays some board games with him. He gets some tips to play board games well from his grandfather. On the other hand, his grandmother tries to make him fat in those 2 days. She bakes the best chocolate cake for him. Binnu is a big admirer of her cooking. Whenever Binnu has a holiday, his grandparents plan for a picnic. Last time, they went to the nearby hill station. One day, Binnu and his grandpa were playing with a football when the old man had a fall and hurt his ankle. Binnu's dad became sorry to see his father in pain. He took him to hospital. The doctor advised him to take a rest for some days. Luckily, there was nothing to worry about. Binnu saw how his mom and dad took care of his grandfather. Mom applied the ointment on his ankle and gave him a gentle massage every day. Binnu saw his dad talking to him and asking him about his pain. One day, Binnu took his grandfather for a walk. He noticed his parents taking utmost care for the grandparents. So, he asked his mom why she took so much care about Grandpa. She said, "Parents are parents for everybody. They love us very much all their lives. So, it is our duty to take care of them." Moral: grandparents are special and they deserve to be treated in a special way.